got not only our first medal in athletics but a gold. So congratulations, Neeraj, once again. What I'm very pleased that Neeraj is one of our products which has come from the juniors. He became a junior world champion, a world record holder, went and won Asian Games, went and won Commonwealth Games. One of the most dedicated, well behaved athletes, totally focused on his event. This also goes to show that the junior program which we are doing, which is one of the largest grassroots level programs in the world, is working. And it's a matter of time where we will see better results. This has also been a good teamwork. We've had a whole team, we created a whole ecosystem around Neeraj, starting from Dr. Banod, the chairman of our planning commission, who created the planning and coaching for him. We got him coaches, we got him foreign coaches. We've given him whatever he requested, whatever he needed, including physio, sports science, whatever he required. His competition was very meticulously planned by the chairman of the planning commission with the coaches, and I have to thank the whole team. It was a team effort led by Dr. Banot, who is the chairman of our planning and coaching committee. So I think it's a tremendous job. For me personally, I think it's a great thing, first being an Olympian, then I've coached an Olympian. But to get an Olympic gold medal during my tenure, I think that was the ultimate thing. And I was weeping when the national anthem was played. I was very emotional. So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, I'm emotional even now, but I think that is where we are, and I think this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. You will see lots more. You will see lots more, and that's basically what I want to say at the moment. There's not much I can say, just very emotional. So, thank you. May I ask Dr. Banot to say a few words, please?
Good evening. It's really matter of proud, not only for the Athletic Federation or Neeraj Chopra. It is proud moment for everyone, every Indian, including the media press. What he achieved today is almost the same he achieved when he became the world junior champion. Just 1 meter difference. At that time, he was capable of winning the medal because the medal distance during the last Olympic was less than what he did in the junior world championship. But unfortunately, the junior championship later and the qualifying date was over. We tried with the World Athletics, IAAF, but we couldn't do it. I was very sure from day one that Neeraj will win a medal, at least silver medal. And Neeraj is one athlete who participated in the last 4 years. Wherever he has participated, he has won the gold. Starting from the World Junior Championship, it was his first Asian Games at Jakarta, and first Commonwealth Games, he won the gold in every event. And this time I was expecting good results. People were talking about Germans, but I knew, because we have the statistics with us, that they were not in form. And his first throw, let me tell you, the people asked me yesterday why he's getting the second serial number, why he's not coming at the last when his distance was more than everyone else. So I was happy कि ये दूसरे नंबर पर है, और ये इस चीज का हमें फायदा होगा, और फायदा ये होगा कि शुरू से ही प्रेशर बन जाएगा। नीरज एक बहुत कंसिस्टेंट थ्रोअर है एंड वी हैव given all what the President Adil has mentioned, that all whatever necessary, in spite of his injury last year, he could come back, he qualified, and he has achieved his target. We are thankful to everyone, which the SAI, the government, his sponsor, and his employer, the army, everybody has contributed and everybody has had a faith in him that he will do well and provided him everything. इसका जो कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस देना जेवलिन के अंदर, मैं भी काफी दिन जेवलिन फेंका है और लोगों ने भी फेंका है, और किस प्रकार से एथलेटिक फेडरेशन बहुत दिनों से जेवलिन इवेंट्स को स्ट्रीमलाइन में लाने की कोशिश कर रही थी, और जेवलिन का एक अलग कंपटीशन भी करवाया, और एक जेवलिन इवेंट है जिसके अंदर 2 फॉरेन कोच हमने इंडिया ने रखे हुए थे। तो उससे आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि वी वांटेड टू शो गुड रिजल्ट्स इन जेवलिन एंड नीरज हैज प्रूव्ड इट। वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ नीरज एंड वी होप he will achieve better performance in the future and he will dominate the world field in the javelin. All the best. Thank you very much.
फिक्र आपकी, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 9 बजे सिर्फ TV9 भारतवर्ष पर।